Hello everyone, welcome to today's shadowing practice. Shadowing means listening closely and repeating right after me, matching tone, rhythm, and speed. This session will last about 4 to 5 minutes. Speak out loud with me, don't worry about mistakes, just keep going. Repeat each sentence twice, once slowly, once naturally. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, how are you today? I'm ready to practice my English. I'm ready to practice my English. Shadowing helps me sound natural. Shadowing helps me sound natural. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? Sure, what do you need? Sure, what do you need? I'm looking for the nearest bus stop. I'm looking for the nearest bus stop. It's just around the corner. It's just around the corner. The sun was shining brightly in the sky. The sun was shining brightly in the sky. Children were playing in the park. Children were playing in the park. It was a perfect day to relax and enjoy nature. It was a perfect day to relax and enjoy nature. Believe in yourself, and you will succeed. Believe in yourself, and you will succeed. Every small step brings you closer to your goal. Every small step brings you closer to your goal. Consistency is the key to improvement. Consistency is the key to improvement. Repeat quickly, keep pace. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Shadowing builds fluency. Shadowing builds fluency. Keep going, don't give up. Keep going, don't give up. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. My English sounds more natural. My English sounds more natural. Great job today. Thank you for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this shadowing session, like and subscribe for more. Comment below with the sentence you found most challenging. Next time, we'll shadow a short news article.